Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek video for you guys. Listen, I only need 10 rebates, y'all. This is going to be super easy. On top of that, I've been doing the Crunch Bar at CVS the last 3 days. Hopefully it'll reset for me today as well. And so I don't really need that much. I almost didn't do a video, to be honest with y'all, because I was like, I don't really need a lot. And so, but I figured I do have a few deals that I can share with you guys that are new. But if you're new here, yes. If you're new here and you're just passing by, you're just like sticking your head in. When you stick your head in, subscribe. I would love to have you here a part of the channel. Make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never, ever miss out on a video. Ever. One thing I want to mention really quick. One of you guys were saying, well, I know it's not one of my lovelies. But some people do say the intro's long. But you know what? There's something called a fast forward button. And you can just go, and you can stop when you see me in the store. Then you know the deals are about to start. Or you can not watch. I mean, we all have options. We all have options in life. So, you know, do what you want to do. With that, the other thing I want to mention really quick, you guys. I've been doing voiceovers lately. I love the fact that I'm in the store less. Like, and that's kind of where I want to spend less time in the store. And so I've been kind of doing voiceovers here and there. But I want to know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like voiceovers or do you like real-time videos? Voiceovers for me, like I said, it's less time in the store, but I have to set aside time to record the video in store and to go home and record the voiceover when it's nice and quiet, where I don't see Josiah in the background yelling, you know, which is what he does. And even though I'm upstairs and he's downstairs, you can still hear him sometimes. So that's the difference. I like real time because I feel like it's just so authentic, but it takes more time in the store. All right. I am in the store more. In the store longer. Like, there's times I could be in the store 2.5 hours in the store. And so if I can just go in really quick, record 30 seconds of for each deal, then I love that. But you know, I get in there and I be all thinking that people care. People don't care what I'm doing. People don't care. But I be thinking they care. And so I'll be sitting there just waiting for people to leave. Like, if it could just be me and my coworkers there, I would be happy. You know, but lately I've been going late. And it's just a store full of people. And you know, I got anxiety. And so, yeah. But I want to know in the comments what you guys think. Last thing I want to mention really quick is Brand Club. Yes. Yeah, you remember Brand Club? Yeah, Brand Club. They refaced their whole app, and I actually like the way that it looks. I do. I don't use Brand Club that much. I probably use it maybe once or twice a month, if that. Half the time I don't even sync my receipts. But they did make a major change I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so now as far as cashing out, you have to do an ID verification, all right? Like, you can't even cash out until you do that, which I think is crazy, to be honest. I know it's tax related, I'm sure, but I feel like with them having so many issues with their app, since they started, basically, a lot of people don't use the app because of the issues. I think this is just one more reason for people to not use the app. It's like, why you need to know my government name? Why you need to know who I really am? Maybe I want to just keep going by my alias, you know? And then at the same time, it's like, okay, what are you going to do with it? What exactly are you going to do with my information? You know what I mean? Are you going to sell it? Are you going to use it? Or am I going to have issues with fraud or anything like that? So a lot of people, I think, are not going to use it because of that reason. You know, I did the verification so early in the game, y'all, that I was just like, well, you already know who I am. Like, you already know who I am. So what's the point of me saying no? So I did the verification. You have to take a picture of your ID front and back, and you have to take a picture of yourself. They have you take 3 pictures. That part I couldn't do through the app, so I had to have them send me a link and do it through the link. The other thing, you have to link a card. What I did is I linked a gift card. I linked one of my virtual gift cards. I probably got like 15 cents on it. Deadass. And so that's what I linked. I would never link my actual credit card or my actual debit card. But those are 2 things that they have changed that you guys definitely should know about. And of course, you're not going to know until it's time to cash out. All right. So that's why I'm letting you guys know. Other than that, you guys, I am going to get to the store because this intro is a lot longer than I wanted it to be. But those are things I needed you guys to know, or I wanted you guys to know. And so I will see you guys in the store for some awesome deals. So keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Heinz ketchup. It's priced at $3.48. We're grabbing one, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, making that only 98 cents. This next deal is on the Gatorade Fast, which is priced at $2.28. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. We'll also get back $1 on Referral, making this only 53 cents. Next up is the Gatsby. They are priced at $3.88. If you haven't had a chance to do this deal yet, I'll have a link for you guys in the description box. You're going to get that back on aisles, making this absolutely free. White Lily Cake Mix is priced at $2.48, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making that only $1.48. You guys, these went up in price. Literally like 2 days ago, they were like, what, $8.98 and $9.98? And now the spray is $10.48 and the stick is $9.43. All right, now we do have $3 coupons for each of them. We're getting back $3 from Ibotta for each of them. And the spray, we're getting back 600 kicks, which is $2.40. And the stick, we're getting back 550 kicks, which is $2.20. So one's going to cost us $123. The other's going to cost us $208. And so, yeah, there goes inflation. All right, so this next deal is on the Axe. No, you're not seeing things. These went up in price too. They're $6.27 now. Only one of them is still $5.97. So we're gonna grab one body wash. We're also gonna grab a deodorant stick as well at the same price. We'll use a BOGO coupon, pay $6.27, but we're gonna get back $2 for each on Fetch Reward, plus 500 kicks on Shopkick, making them only 13 cents each. This next deal is on the Degree deodorants. Now we can grab one of the women. They're priced at $5.78. The men are priced the same for $5.78. And we do have $1.50 coupons from the Unilever for this deal. We'll end up paying $4.28 out of pocket, but getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. We're also going to get back 565 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.26, making them only $1.02 a piece. All right, this next deal is on the Dove Men Care deodorant. It's priced at $6.27. So we're going to go ahead and grab two of them. We're going to use a 4 off 2 coupon from the Unilever, which is going to bring that total down to paying $8.54 out of pocket, but we'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta. We're also going to get back 615 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.46, making them only 4 cents each. This next deal is on the Dollar Shave Club refills, priced at $8.47. I'm going to grab one of these. I'll be using the $5 Pilly that I found on these like 2 weeks ago. That'll bring the total down to $3.47, getting back 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2, another $3.50 on Fetch Reward, making this a $2.03 moneymaker. Now, I did not end up getting the razor because it just didn't work out. So I did get the shave gel price at $5.97. I got back $3.50 on Ibotta. I also got back 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.40, making that $1.07. Okay, so the Poise pads are priced at $5.62. Now, this 20 count was the only one that actually scanned on coupons.com and Alexa. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. I'm getting back $1.50 for Alexa as well as coupons.com. Now, when I scanned this with the Ibotta app, it did trigger 2 different rebates. But once I submitted my receipt, I only got back the $2. So basically, yeah, basically makes it 62 cents. Last but not least is the Suave Baby, or Baby Suave. I found this on this little end cap of sorts. They are priced at $4.18. You're going to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $8.36 out of pocket, but getting back $7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da, making them only $1.36. For 2 are 68 cents each. Now, the detangler one is a little cheaper. It's $3.98, so that's an option as well. And yeah, this one went straight through for me. Now, I went ahead and ran over to Target as well for this deal. I was going for the refills. My store was completely out, priced at $9.99. You will use a $5 circle. You also get back 5 on Ibotta, makes it absolutely free. I went ahead and grabbed this one because it was in stock, priced at $20.99. You'll get back $8 on Ibotta. I also submitted on coupons.com for $5 as well as 5 on Alexa. Makes it $2.99. I was okay with that because I knew I was going to make a little bit of money from the core bars, which is what I went for as well. Those are priced at $2.39. You're getting back $1 to $1.25 for each on Ibotta. Also submitting on on Aisles for the free offer, making them all free plus like a $3.25 moneymaker. And so awesome. Other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. It's small. And so everything worked out okay for today. Now with the axe, I did it on two different receipts so that I could submit one to each of my Fetch accounts because I was close to cashing out on both of them. And so I did that separately. I did the Suave. I did 4 bottles on one. I think I did it for inbox dollars. And then I did just 2 on Swagbucks. That's just because I was really close to cashing out. With the Gatsby, I only did one of those because when I did it yesterday, it just went through for $3.88. So yeah, I guess it's not the $5 anymore for the referral. So since it's not a moneymaker, I'm probably gonna slow down on doing those or only do them when it's on a different app, like Ibotta or Shopkick. With the core, I went ahead and did that because I'm still getting back the full amount, making it free. But since it's on Ibotta, it's a moneymaker. That's basically it, you guys. And so everything you see here retails $142.75. This is $9.57 in sales tax. I had $27.54 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $115.21. And then I got back $38 from Ibotta, $12.50 from Fetch. Now with Fetch, I originally did the razor and the refills, but the Pilly wasn't working on the razor. And so I took the razor off, but when I submitted my receipt to Fetch, I still got credit for it, but I ended up getting the shave gel and the refill. All right, on that. So we got back a total of $12.50 from Fetch. Now with Shopkick, I did scan kicks on both my accounts, on my account and Joseph's account. So on one of the accounts, I did get back $3.28. And the other account I got back $2.24. So I'm in the store, y'all, scanning from both devices whenever I can on that. So we got back a total of $5.52 and just scanning. That saved me. So if you guys want to make a little bit of extra money, just get the scan kicks. Like I said before, majority of those are on the personal hygiene aisle, all deodorant aisle and body wash and hair care. So it's like you're over there anyways, right? So a total of $19.98 from Shopkick, $11.05 from Aisles, $7 from Swagbucks, $14 from inbox dollars. Coupons.com was $6.50 and Alexa was $6.50 as well. So we got back a total of $115.53. So it makes us a tiny itty bitty moneymaker. I mean, it's not a massive moneymaker. It's only 32-cent moneymaker. But it's still a moneymaker, which is cool. Now, when you add in the whole tax, it still nets us, but it's still a decent haul overall. Other than that, you guys, Josiah, Joji, a fireman. Come here. Fireman. Can you choose an emoji other than fireman? I know you like firemen and fire and stuff. As long as you ain't playing with fire.
Water.
What? You already said water.
No, that was.
You said water before.
A wave.
A wave?
Yeah.
Like at the beach, like a beach wave?
Yeah.
Is that your final response? Final answer?
Yeah, wave.
Okay. Anything else you want to say to our subscribers?
And also it'd be lava.
Lava? You want
lava in a tsunami.
A tsunami?
Because as lava gets turned into magma from water.
Interesting. Yeah, he said a lot of different emojis. That was a lot, Bug.
Because I had to get one. Because I was trying to get one that's new.
You want to try and get that? You said a lot that's new. So whichever one you picked up on, I'd love to see it in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.